Hello YouTube, I am back for another video. Today we are going to be taking some family photos and I want to bring you guys along so you guys can see how our day goes and what it's like. Right now I'm actually baking a cake. It is currently 2:15. Angel's on his way home from work and I did make a little TikTok video on the cake that I'm baking. How to make the vanilla recipe, and if you guys want to check it out, I will have it on my TikTok, or I might post it on my YouTube as well. So today we're going to be going to Canon Beach so that we can take some family photos since we have a new little member here. She's smiling. Mira. Hola. Wow, she did that perfectly. Mira. Diles, hola amigos. Yo soy Celeste. So we do have a new little family member. She's 2 months. Sí. Ay, sí. Ay, sí. Ay, sí, sí, sí. Quiere estar en las fotos. So we have some family pictures on our hallway and I want to update those to include her. And yeah, I'm going to be taking the pictures by myself, and then Angel's gonna be helping me too. Oh my gosh, she's so smiley. So bien risueña. And yeah, we'll show you guys how it goes. Hopefully it's not too packed. Today is gonna be like 98 here in Forest Grove, so it's still gonna be pretty hot at the beach. So I know there should be a lot of people, but hopefully they're not in our way or nobody's in the background. I just finished my cakes, but I have a big mess to clean up. But since we're leaving, I'm just gonna leave everything here and I will clean most likely tomorrow or later when we come back. And here is my other pan, scissors and stuff. I'll just put this away and that's it. We're gonna go upstairs, get ready and change, and then we're gonna go to Burger King so we could eat and head out. Calzonudo. Chipotle.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
Alright, we are all ready. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. I got this really cute dress from Goodwill, but it's the brand Shein. It was only $7, so I got a really good find. But yeah, it's really cute. Our colors that are going to be matching is brown, so Celeste is wearing brown. Moy and Celeste have the same exact sweater, just Celeste's is like in a little onesie form and Moy's is a sweater for boys. This is what she looks like. Hola Celestita. Diles hola. Tente chupon. So hers is just really cute, like a little onesie type of thing. And then I got Angel a brown shirt, button-up shirt from American Eagle as well. But yeah, so we're gonna go to BK first so we could eat, and then we're gonna head out to Canon Beach. We have made it to BK, so they just told us to wait because it's probably a little bit busy. I don't know. There's Moy, Celeste, and Angel. Oh, it's focused on me, my bad. We have made it to Canon Beach. It took about an hour and 20 minutes. It's very, what is it? Foggy. It's really foggy here. And it's pretty cold, so hopefully, yeah, it's like 60 degrees here. Hopefully we can take some fast and that the baby's not super cold. We will take her blanket and stuff, so whenever we're not taking pictures of her, I'll probably just cobijarla so that she's not cold, because she just has that little onesie thing and no pants. But yeah, Moy fell asleep and Angel fell asleep while I was driving. So yeah, I need to pee, so we can probably get down now and just get to it. There's like no sun. There's no sun at all. It's just foggy. Also, the parking lot was really tight and I thought I was gonna hit both of these cars.
I was like this. Look. Until it's still smiling.
We are climbing up the little hill to go to the beach. This time we do have to walk a little bit farther to go to the rock because I want to go to the haystack rock for our pictures. And like I said, it is pretty cloudy and foggy, so it's kind of nice for pictures. But here's Moy.
Bye, Papa. Bye, Papa.
And here is Angel. But hopefully we get some good pictures, and at least it's not raining. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's very foggy. Yeah, I don't think I can pull Moy. Remember?
Yeah.
It's hard over here.
Mami, agarro.
Agárrate. Yeah, it is really foggy, so actually the rock might not even be that visible. And you can't even see the beach. So here we are. I'm just gonna calibrate. I'm just gonna get my camera settings ready. And this is what the beach looks like. It's so foggy. The haystack rock is literally not even in sight. You can't even tell where it's at or where it's supposed to be. Oh, my eyes get stuck. It's super foggy. Look, this is what it looks like. We're still gonna take some pictures. The rock should be right about there, but obviously you can't see it. I'm gonna take pictures of them here with this greenery first, and then continue to go all the way down there to the beach so we can at least see a little bit of the water. I'm unfortunately not able to connect my camera. You can see the rock a little bit.
Oh yeah, what the heck?
I was not able to connect my camera, my Canon camera to my phone, which is how I thought I was gonna take our pictures of all four of us. So now we're just taking, which I had in mind to take pictures of each other because nobody else is here to take pictures of us, but to take pictures of all four of us, I wanted to take them on my camera still, which that's what we always do, but I couldn't connect it to my phone, so I'm really sad about that. But I'm gonna be able to connect my phone onto the tripod, and then I'll just do some maybe selfies or the back camera most likely. I'll just have to take those of all four of us from my phone, so hopefully they still come out good. I'll use the cinematic for the portrait mode for the pictures, and it looks like the fog is clearing up a tiny little bit. I think right now we might just run over there to see if we can take some pictures with the rock, and if not, that's it. That's all we got. So we got some good ones right here with the greenery, and then I want some by the water. So again, hopefully you can see the rock as we walk closer, but right now it like peeked through a tiny little bit. But yeah, Celeste is doing pretty good. It is a little bit cold, but it's not like freezing or it's not windy, so that's nice. All right, well, I'm gonna check out what it looks like to take pictures on my phone, so see you guys in a little bit. There's where you can see the rock like barely tiny little bit. You can see it more. Well, I was able to see it more like about a minute ago. It's fogging up again. Yeah, yes,
2,000 years later.
The rock finally cleared up. It's super clear now actually, but while we took pictures it was still a little bit foggy, and the sun is about to set, so it looks really cute. But we're already leaving.
Yeah?
So we're just gonna, it's really hard to climb up, so we're just, Angel's toughing it out over here. We made Moy walk, and I have a Celeste.
There's a hole right there.
Celeste has been asleep. Oh, there's a hole. For a little bit, but she needs to eat. And yeah, I'm already getting hungry too, so we're probably gonna eat when we get home. We are leaving now. Time to say bye to Canon Beach. I didn't take a lot of videos of us taking pictures. Well, I didn't really take a video, but I think we got some pretty good pictures, so I'll show you guys what they look like. And yeah, that was our little vlog of just coming to the beach. I think we're just gonna go home, eat, and probably go to sleep.